Linking your bank account to Needham Bank is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few simple steps. Follow this guide to ensure smooth connection. Step 1. Visit the Needham Bank website. Go to the official Needham Bank website using your preferred web browser. Look for the online banking section to start the linking process. Step 2. Log into your online banking account. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 3. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, find the account settings or profile section. This is typically located in the main menu or dashboard of your online banking interface. Step 4. Select Link External Account. In account settings, look for an option that says Link External Account or Add Bank Account. Click on this option to begin the linking process. Step 5. Enter bank account information. Fill in the required information for the bank account you wish to link, including the account number and routing number. Review the information for accuracy and submit your request. After completing these steps, you should receive confirmation of the successful linking of your bank account to Needham Bank. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for assistance.